tone colorways tend to stand the test of time, and the Air Jordan 13 French Blue is a clear example of that lasting appeal. Years after its return, the silhouette still feels purposeful, drawing heavily from Jordan Brand's late 1990s design language rather than following short-term trends. The model stays loyal to the original Panther-inspired concept, highlighting fluid motion, stability, and sharp contrast. The upper features white dimpled leather that adds texture while keeping the look clean and balanced. A gray leather panel grounds the forefoot, while French blue synthetic suede wraps the midfoot and heel to add depth. Classic details remain intact, including the holographic eye on the collar and the red Jumpman logo on the tongue, creating subtle visual contrast. Below, the pod-style outsole with herringbone traction and a carbon fiber shank delivers the signature Air Jordan 13 foundation. Originally designed for on-court performance, this pair now transitions easily into everyday wear. Released in August 2022, the Air Jordan 13 French Blue continues to be accessible through various resale platforms.